Very important key points before we start the class. Very important key points. Today's I will be taking minimum 4 to maximum 6 hour session. Minimum 4 to maximum 6 hour session on only topic highest powers. We will discuss all the models related to highest powers. Minimum 4 to maximum 6 hours. We will take a topic on highest powers. We took 3 sessions on factors and multiples. Today the topic of discussion will be on highest powers. In case if you are a new viewer, kindly WhatsApp this number 8296989020 to get live class updates. Point number 2. Point number 3. Take a notebook and a pen and a pencil. Write all the important key points. Write all important key points. Point number 4. Point number 4. I will start from basics. Then intermediate, basics, intermediate, advanced level questions. Point number 4. Point number 5. Any non-academic discussions, which I am sure none of you will do it. Any non-academic discussions, it will result in blocking you from our channel, blocking the access. Shall we start the class? Kindly reply it in the live chat. Shall we start the class? Kindly share this class link with as many WhatsApp groups as possible. Kindly do this favor to me. Kindly share this class with every WhatsApp group you are present, so that students can learn these classes learn the concepts absolutely free. Kindly share the class with every WhatsApp group. Right. Please ensure that you take a notebook and a pen or a pencil. Now, we'll start the class. Today's class is on highest powers and factorials. First, write down some basic questions and understanding of factorial. Factorial n is written as like this. In most of the textbooks, instead of writing like this, they will write it as like this: n factorial. Factorial of n is product of consecutive natural numbers. Product of consecutive natural numbers from n to 1. This is the definition of a factorial. Factorial is defined as the product of consecutive natural numbers from n to 1. For example, 4 factorial 4 factorial is the product of consecutive natural number from 4 to 1. So 4 into 3 into 2 into 1, 12 2s are 24. 3 factorial. 3 factorial is 3 into 2 into 1, which is nothing but 6. 24 can be written as 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 3 into 2 into 1 is called 3 factorial. So the first observation, n factorial is nothing but n into n minus 1 factorial. Please write down this. N factorial is nothing but n into n minus 1 factorial. N factorial is nothing but n into n minus 1 factorial. Similarly, 5 factorial is nothing but 5 into 4 factorial. 24 5s are 120. Factorial. Product of consecutive natural numbers from n to 1. Product of n consecutive natural numbers from n to 1 is called the factorial of a number. Product of n consecutive numbers. 0 factorial. 0 factorial is defined as 1. You can only say one way in which the number is non-existing. Is Anil Nair present in the class? Only one way you can answer it. Yes, he is present. No, he is not present. So 0 factorial is 1. 0 factorial is 1. Definition of a factorial. Definition of a factorial. Factorial is nothing but product of consecutive natural numbers from n to 1. Product of consecutive natural numbers from n to 1. n factorial is nothing but n into n minus 1 factorial. Every slide, if there is any important key points, I will discuss it. This is the definition of a factorial. This is the definition of a factorial. This is the definition of a factorial. Now let us solve few questions. First question. First one. See the solution. See the solution. Find the remainder. We have to find the remainder. Find the remainder 1. 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial plus 4 factorial and so on up to 100 factorial is divided by 6. Find the remainder 1. 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus 3 factorial and so on up to 100 factorial is divided by 6. 1 factorial is nothing but 1. 2 factorial is nothing but 2 into 1 2. 3 factorial, it is nothing but 3 into 2 into 1, which is 6. 4 factorial, just now we wrote n factorial is nothing but n into n minus 1 factorial. 4 into 3 factorial. 4 into 3 factorial means it is 6. 5 factorial, it is nothing but 5 into 4 factorial. 4 factorial is nothing but 4 into 3 factorial. That means from 3 factorial onwards, these are divisible by 6. These are divisible by 6. From 3 factorial onwards, all the numbers are divisible by 6. So 6, any number which is a multiple of 6 when divided by 6 is 0. 1 plus 2 is 3. First one answer is 3. Fundamentals question. Find the remainder 1. 1 factorial plus 2 factorial plus, right, 3 factorial. Right, factorial is defined for whole numbers. Factorial is defined for whole numbers. Factorial is not defined for negative numbers. Factorial is defined for whole numbers. 3 factorial divisible by 6, 4 factorial divisible by 6, 100 factorial also divisible by 6. 1 plus 2 is 3. 3 divided by 6. Answer is 3. First question. Good question, Mahesh. Factorial is not defined for negative numbers, beta. First one. I hope first one is clear. Second one. Right after the day is over, you will be extremely comfortable with reminders. No need of saying answer. All you have to do is just listen to my class. I will not waste your time or my time in asking you to solve and tell the answer. Second one. Find the remainder one. Find the remainder one. 1 factorial whole square plus 2 factorial whole square plus 3 factorial whole square and so on up to 50 factorial whole square divided by 18. Divided by 18. 1 factorial whole square, which is nothing but 1 square. 1 square is 1. 2 factorial whole square, which is nothing but 2 square, which is nothing but 4. 3 factorial whole square. 3 factorial is nothing but 3 into 2 into 1 whole square. 6 square. 6 square is nothing but 36 divisible by 18. 4 factorial is nothing but 4 into 3 factorial whole square. 3 factorial whole square is divisible by 18. Same analogy from the 3 factorial onwards. All the numbers are divisible by 18. So answer is 1 factorial is 1. 2 factorial is 2. 1 plus 2 is nothing but 3. 1 plus 2 is nothing but 3. Right? 1 plus 2 is nothing but 3. I hope the idea is clear. First two questions are basic questions. Just listen carefully, sir. Let's listen carefully. Let me show you the slides, what kind of questions we are going to discuss. Third one. Then another exam model, another exam model, another exam model, another exam model, another exam model. Highest power for a prime number, highest power for a prime number. How to find out the power of a prime number, highest power of a prime number? What if the factorials are added with even numbers? What if the factorials are added consecutive natural numbers? What if only numbers are given without a factorial? What if factorials are subtracted? What if the highest power for a composite number? What if highest power for a composite number? Highest power for a composite number. What if factorial is not given and you have to find the highest power for a composite number? What if factorial is not given? What if we have to find the highest power of a factorial? What if the highest power of a factorial? I hope it is clear, right? I hope it is clear. So here in the first question, it is 2 square. So 3 plus 2 is nothing but 5. It is 1 factorial whole square is 1. 2 factorial is 2. 1 plus 4 is 5. I wrote it as 3. So answer for the second question. Answer for the second question is not 3. Few calculation mistake. Answer is nothing but 5. I hope the idea is clear. Right? Third question. Now see, what will be the remainder? What will be the remainder when 2 factorial whole square, 2 factorial whole square plus 3 factorial whole square plus 4 factorial whole square and so on up to 100 factorial whole square divided by 48. Divided by 48. 2 factorial is nothing but 2 square. 2 square is 4. 3 factorial whole square 6. 6 square is 36. 4 factorial. 4 factorial is nothing but 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 whole square, which is nothing but 4 square is 16. 16 into 9 into 4. So 16 into 3. It is divisible by 48. That means from 4 factorial onwards, from 4 factorial onwards, all are divisible by 48. 2 factorial whole square, 2 square. 3 factorial is 6. 6 square. 36 plus 4, 40. 40 divided by 48. 40 divided by 48. If the numerator is less than the denominator, answer is 40. Don't do the calculation mistake like I did it in the previous question. 2 factorial is 2, 2 square is 4, 3 factorial is 6, 6 square is 36, 36 plus 4 is 40, 40 divided by 48, answer is 40. Idea clear, right? First 3 questions are based on basic understanding of factorials. First 3 questions are based on pure basic understanding of factorials. Basic understanding of factorials. Basic understanding of factorials. I hope the first 3 questions are clear. Now we will discuss some good examination based question. First 3 are clear, right? Basic question. Next, fourth one. See here. What is the least value of n? What is the least value of n? Least value is nothing but the minimum value. We want the minimum value for n. What is the minimum value for n? What is the minimum value for n such that n factorial is divisible by 20, 21 and 22. N factorial is divisible by 20, 21, 22. 20, 21, 22. These are all composite numbers. These are all composite numbers. Write these composite number as prime factors. Write these composite numbers as prime factors. Automatically you will get the answer. 20 is nothing but 2 into 2 into 5. 21 is nothing but 3 into 7. 22 is nothing but 2 into 11. 2 into 11. Denominator, check for the highest prime base. Highest prime base. Check for the highest prime base. What is highest? The lowest prime number is 2. Next lowest is 3. Next lowest is 5. Next lowest is 7. Next is 11. Highest prime base is the answer. So answer for n is nothing but 11. We can check it out. What is 11 factorial? 11 factorial is nothing but 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. 3 into 2 into 1. If it is 11 factorial, it is divisible by 11. Okay. 2 into 2 into 2, it is divisible by 8. Okay. 3, it is divisible by 3. It is divisible by 5. It is divisible by 6. It is divisible by 6. Remaining something else is left. So 11 factorial will become a multiple of 20, 21, 22. I hope the idea is clear. Numerator it is n factorial. Denominator it is 20 into 21 into 22. 20 is 2 into 2 into 5. 21 is 3 into 7. 22 is 2 into 11. So what is the highest prime base in the given numbers? 11. So answer should be 11. Why? Because if I write 11 factorial, a factorial is defined as the product of natural numbers from 1 to n. 11 factorial is 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 and so on up to 1. So check it out whether all these numbers are a part of 11 factorial. 2 is a part of 11 factorial. 4 contains 2. It is a part of 11 factorial. 5 is a part of 11 factorial. 3 is a part of 11 factorial. 7 is a part of 11 factorial. 8, 2 is a part of 11 factorial. So 11 is a part of 11 factorial. Answer for this question is nothing but n equivalent to 11. N equivalent to 11. Idea in the question is take the highest prime base and write the composite number as a product of prime factors. Write the composite number as a product of prime factors. I hope the idea is clear. First intermediate level question based on factorials. Intermediate level question based on factorials. Answer for this question is 11. Just start from the basics, listen to every problem. You don't need to refer any textbook. All the models I will discuss it in my YouTube live class. Next one. What is the least value of n such that n factorial? Same question, one more problem so that it will be clear to you. What is the least value of n such that n factorial is divisible by 990? N factorial is divisible by 990. Same idea. If the denominator is a composite number, write down it as product of prime bases. 9 is 3 into 3. Here it is 11. Here it is 10 is 2 into 5. What is the highest prime base? Highest prime base is nothing but 11. Highest prime base is nothing but 11. So what is the answer for this question? 11. Answer for this question is 11. Why it will be 11 we will see. So 11 factorial. 11 factorial is nothing but 11 into 11 factorial is nothing but 11 into 10 into 9 into 8 into and so on up to 1. So these is nothing but 990. 990 are only getting by multiplying this. 11 tens are 110. 110 into 9 is 990. I hope it is clear. This model is clear. Answer for this question is 11. We are able to say very fast that 11 factorial is divisible by 990 because 11 factorial is 11 into 10 into 9 into something. 11 into 10 is 110. 110 into 9 is 990. I hope this model is also clear. Next one. Every model minimum 2 questions. Another one. It is an original cat replica question. Original cat replica question. Read the question. For how many values of n? So we need to find out for how many values of n would 9 minus 1 factorial be divisible by n. 9 minus 1 factorial is divisible by n. 9 minus 1 factorial is divisible by n. N should be less than 20. N should be less than 20. N minus 1 factorial should be divisible by n for n less than 20. Let me take n equivalent to 5. If I take n equivalent to 5, 5 minus 1 is 4 factorial. 4 factorial divided by 5. 4 factorial, 24 divided by 5. 24 is not divisible by 5. But I require n minus 1 factorial should be divisible by n. If I put n equivalent to 6, 6 minus 1 is 5 factorial. 5 factorial divided by 6. 5 factorial is 120. 120 is divisible by 6. N equivalent to 7. 7 is 7 minus 1 factorial. 6 factorial is divided by 7. 6 factorial is 120. 120 is not divisible by 7. Answer is no. Suppose if I take n equivalent to 8. 8 minus 1, 7 factorial. 7 factorial. 7 factorial divided by 8. 7 factorial divided by 8. 7 factorial is nothing but 7 into 6 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1 when divided by 8. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into any number when divided by 8. Answer I am getting yes. Now if you observe from 5 onwards, here n equivalent to 6. N equivalent to 6. N equivalent to 6 I am getting answer yes. N equivalent to 8 I am getting answer yes. 6 and 8 are nothing but composite numbers. 6 and 8 are nothing but composite numbers. 6 and 8 are nothing but composite numbers. Let me take some composite numbers less than 5 also. If I take n equivalent to 4, 4 minus 1 is 3 factorial. 3 factorial divided by 4. What is the answer? No. What are the composite numbers less than 5? 1 is neither prime nor composite and 2 and 3 are prime numbers. So n equivalent to 4 only I am getting no. All the other cases I am getting yes. Extremely important point. extremely important point. N minus 1 factorial will be divisible by n as long as n is a composite number. As long as n is a composite number, except n equivalent to 4. N minus 1 factorial, very important point. N minus 1 factorial is always divisible by n. N minus 1 factorial is always divisible by n. Is always divisible by n as long as n is a composite number, except n equivalent to 4. Except n equivalent to 4, remaining all the numbers, n minus 1 factorial is always divisible by n. Very important key point, please write down. We require n less than 20. So n equivalent to 6, n equivalent to 8, next is 10, next is 12, next 14, next 16, next 18. 4 plus 3. What is the answer for the question? 7. Anyway, it is a natural number less than 20. N equivalent to 4 should not be counted. Are you all with me? N minus 1 factorial is always divisible by n if n is a composite number, except n equivalent to 4. N minus 1 factorial is always divisible by n except n equivalent to 4. This is proof by example. 5 is a prime number. So if I put prime number 5, 4 factorial by 5, not divisible. If I put a prime number 7, 6 factorial by 7, not divisible. Not divisible. I hope it is clear. We will write the important key point here. Conclusion. N minus 1 factorial is always divisible by n minus 1 factorial is always divisible by n if n is composite number, except n equivalent to 4. Every question one concept we will discuss. Except n equivalent to 4. One is neither prime nor composite. Somshekhar, I am writing a line for composite number. So there is no question of 1. One is neither prime nor composite. If the question is a composite number, if the question is a composite number, this is the condition. If the question is a composite number, this is the condition. If the question is a natural number, then include. If the question is a natural number, then include n equivalent to 1. I hope it is clear. So if it is a composite number, answer will be 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18. Answer will be 7. If it is a natural number, answer will be 8. Right? I hope it is clear. Let me complete, Somshekhar, my explanation. You are in a hurry to tell the answer. Please wait till I complete the explanation. N minus 1 factorial is always divisible by n only if n is a composite number, except n equivalent to 4. One is neither prime nor composite. If the question is a natural number, then include n equivalent to 1. I hope right now it is clear. First I defined it for a composite number, then I defined it for a natural number. Next one. Another question. Somshekhar, I hope it is clear. Right? I think in this one minute, sir. Here 10 we have written, 12, 15 we have excluded, 15, 16, 18, 1. I think I forgot to take 15. You are right, Virat Tendulkar. Take 15. Calculation mistakes, calculation errors, please take care of yourself. I am more interested in concepts. please take care. Calculation errors, please take care. Calculation errors, please take care. Calculation errors, please take care. Right? Calculation errors, please take care. I hope the concept is clear, right? Atul, yes, you are right, beta. 15 is also a composite number. Concept is clear, right? Calculation errors, please take care. Next one. Next one. Idea is clear, right? Next one. 1 into 1 factorial plus 2 into. Similar cat question is also asked. 1 into 1 factorial plus 2 into 2 factorial and so on up to 6 into 6 factorial. Now, this was the actual question. Now see, 1 into 1 factorial concept. This is nothing but 1 into 1 factorial, 2 into 2 factorial, 3 into 3 factorial and so on up to 6 into 6 factorial. This question is of the form n into n factorial. N is from 1 to 6. Am I right? Because summation is replaced by the symbol. So 1 into 1 factorial, 2 into 2 factorial, 3 into 3 factorial, 6 into 6 factorial. Summation n equivalent to 1 to 6. N can be written as n plus 1 minus 1 into n factorial. N plus 1 minus 1 into 1 factorial. So this is nothing but n equivalent to 1 to 6. N plus 1 into n factorial minus n factorial. N plus 1 into n factorial is nothing but n plus 1 factorial minus n factorial. So first one will become 1 2 factorial minus 1 factorial. Second one will become 3 factorial minus 2 factorial. Third one will become 4 factorial minus 3 factorial. Fifth one will become like that. It will go on up to 7 factorial minus 1. All the terms are eliminated. This will result in 7 factorial minus 1. Last one will become 7 factorial minus 6 factorial. So 7 factorial minus 1. 7 factorial minus 1. 7 factorial minus 1. 6 factorial is 6. I will write it here. 6. I got 7 factorial minus 1. It is nothing but 7 into 6 factorial minus 1. 6 factorial is 120. 5 factorial is 120. 6 factorial is 720. 7 into 720. 5040 minus 1. What is the answer? 5039. 5039. 5039. I hope it is clear, right? Now you don't need to calculate 7 into 6 factorial. 6 factorial contains 3. 6 factorial contains 3. So answer should be of the form 3 into something minus 1. 3 into something minus 1. 5 plus 1 is 6. 6 plus 9, 15. 15 is divisible by 3. 5 plus 5, 10. 10 plus 9, 19. 19 is 3 into something plus 1. 5 plus 7, 12. 12 plus 9, 21. 21 is divisible by 3. You don't need to do this calculation. 6 factorial contains 3. So answer should be of the form 3 into something minus 1. The only option which is of the form 3 into something minus 1. 5 plus 3, 8. 8 plus 9, 17. 17 is 3 into 6 minus 1. I hope it is clear. No need to do all these calculations. No need to do all these calculations. No need to do all this calculation. I hope it is clear. I hope it is clear. This is one way to solve. Another way to solve. Please write down method 2. I hope method 1 is clear. This is the generic method. This is the generic method. Method 2. This is the generic method. Method 1, I hope it is clear. 1 into 1 factorial, 2 into 2 factorial. Suppose method 2. Method 2. Method 2. Directly by looking at a question itself, we can get the answer. 1 into 1 factorial, 2 into 2 factorial, 3 into 3 factorial, 4 into 4 factorial, plus 5 into 5 factorial, plus 6 into 6 factorial. 1. The digital sum is 1. 1 ones are 1. 2 into 2, 4. These is nothing but 3 into 6, 18. 18 is 9, not required. So here, if it is 3 is there, 6 into 6 factorial also omitted. 4 into 4 factorial is 24. For 24, digital sum is 6. 6 4s are 24. 2 plus 4 is 6. 5 factorial is 120. 125s are 600, which is 6. I hope it is clear. Idea is clear, right? So 6 plus 6 12, 12 plus 4 16, 16 plus 1 17, 17 digital sum is 8. 17 digital sum is 8. 17 digital sum is 8. The first one digital sum is 5 plus 1 6, 6 plus 9 15, 15 is 6. 5 plus 3 8, 8 plus 9 17, it is 8. 10 plus 9 19, it is 1. 12 plus 9 21, it is 3. So answer for this question is 5039. 5039. Delete the digits whose sum is 9. 3 factorial is 6. 6 3s are 18. 18 is 1 plus 8 9. It will happen for 3 into 3 factorial. Next is, you don't need to do 6 factorial. Even if factorial is not there only, what is 6 6 are 36. What is 3 plus 6? 9. What is 3 plus 6? 9. Delete the digits whose sum is 9. Delete the digits whose sum is 9. 1 factorial into 1 is 1. 2 into 2 is 4. 4 into 24. 4 plus 2 6. 6 4s are 24. It is 6. 5 into 5 120. 120 into 5 is 600, which is 6. 6 plus 6 12, 16 17. 17 digital sum is 8. I hope it is clear. This is method 2, right? Method. Next question, please write down, sir. Next question. I hope the idea is clear. In my class, only thing you will learn is the methods, not in the, unlike in other YouTube live class, only solutions I will not provide. I will give you some thought process. I will give you some direction through which you can look at a question through a prism you have never seen before. Question. Method 1. What is method 1? Method 1 is 1 into 1 factorial plus 2 into 2 factorial plus 3 into 3 factorial and so on up to 10 into 10 factorial. Just now we wrote, it is nothing but summation from n equivalent to 1 to 10, n into n factorial. So this is nothing but n equivalent to 1 to 10, n plus 1 minus 1 into n factorial, which is nothing but n plus 1 factorial minus n factorial. Already we discussed. So if it is ending with 10, 10 plus 1, 11 factorial minus 1. 11 factorial minus 1 will definitely be less than 11 factorial. 11 factorial minus 1 is definitely less than 11 factorial. Virat Tendulkar, I don't need the answers beta. Right? Just listen to the class. Answer is, which is greatest? 11 factorial is greatest. Method 1, this concept is based on previous question logic. This concept is based on previous question logic. Previous question logic. Previous question logic, we have done it. Method 1. Method 1. Now we will do method 2. Method 2 is the similarity in number system method. This is based on previous year question logic. This is method 1. Method 2. Method 2. Method 2. Method 2. Observe the question. 1 into 1 factorial plus 2 into 2 factorial and so on up to 10 into 10 factorial. Another is 11 factorial. It is ending with 10 factorial. Here it is 11 factorial. You can use similarity logic. Similarity or analogy. Suppose if I take the first number 1 into 1 factorial, this will be 2 factorial. If I take the first two numbers 1 into 1 factorial plus 2 into 2 factorial, ending with 10 factorial, it is 11 factorial. Ending with 2 factorial, it will be 3 factorial. If I take three numbers 1 into 1 factorial plus 2 into 2 factorial plus 3 into 3 factorial, 6 3s are 18, 18 plus 4 22, 23, 4 factorial. If you observe, all are just 1 less than the right hand side, 1 is less than 2. 1 plus 2 2s are 4, 5 is less than 6. Next one, 1 plus 2 2s are 4, 6 3s are 18, 23 is less than 24. So just by taking the first three numbers, we are able to conclude that this series, entire series is less than the right hand side. How I did it? If it is ending with 10 factorial, right hand side is 11 factorial. If it is ending with 1 factorial, right hand side should be 2 factorial. If it is ending with 2 factorial, right hand side should be 3 factorial. If it is ending with 3 factorial, and right hand side should be 4 factorial. I hope it is clear. So till now we discussed the questions based on factorials. All the questions are based on factorials. We just discussed the basic questions based on factorial and its applications. Factorials and its application we discussed. Now let us discuss highest powers. Side heading, write down highest powers. Highest powers. The structure will not be there in the class, right? The best part is the students who buy our 2019 bank, SSC and CAT packages. We have announced a special offer. Not only the entire video content which is present, all the live classes whatever I am taking, that classes will also be given as a free add-on to the students who purchase our course. Till yesterday, today and tomorrow they can purchase the course. These YouTube live classes videos will be given. Right after the class will not be visible again. Only for the enrolled students it will be visible, right? The old students can upgrade the package. Students who purchased CAT 2019, right, course after January 10th, they will get these free things. In case if you are looking out for a bank and SSC, all my YouTube live classes will be free only for the students who purchase it. But unfortunately, I kept a limit. That is only for the first 5 to 8 students. That is the reason yesterday at night 11:30, morning 5:30, students who are watching our YouTube channel, just half an hour before, I got a call from a female student from Gurgaon who is preparing for CAT coaching. She is a very serious student. She want to anyway crack CAT examination, right? So these are the students who are self-motivated and calling me to know about the course. Next one, highest powers. Highest powers concept. Highest powers. Highest powers concept. Suppose 4 factorial is there. 4 factorial is 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. What are the prime numbers from 1 to 4? It is 2 and 3. We are finding what is the highest power of 2, what is the highest power of 3. So it is nothing but 2 cube into 3 power 1. 8 into 3 is 24. Now how you got this x value 3? Suppose if I divide 4 by 2, 2 2s are 4. There are 2 multiples of 2. Suppose again if I divide by 2, 2 1s are 2. There is again 1 multiple of 4. What is 2 plus 1? It is 3. That is how you got 2 power 3. Similarly, if I divide 4 by 3, 3 1s are 3. Only there is 1 multiple of 3. That is the reason I got 1. Any factorial, first point, any factorial, you take any factorial, it can be written as power of prime basis. Any factorial any factorial can be written as power of prime bases. Please write down, sir. Any factorial can be written as a power of prime bases. You can write any factorial as a power of prime bases. Any factorial can be written as a power of prime bases. If it is 4 factorial, what are the prime numbers from 1 to 4? 2 and 3. So answer will be 2 cube into 3 power 1. One more example which we will take so that it will be crystal clear to you. The entire problems whatever we are going to discuss in the first half is all about finding what is the highest power of a prime base. Suppose if it is 10 factorial, highest powers. If it is 10 factorial is nothing but 10 into 9 into 8 into 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. What are the prime numbers from 1 to 10? 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number. 2 is a prime number, 3 is a prime number, 5 is a prime number, 7 is a prime number. We have to find out what is the value of x, y, z and w. So what we will do is we will do successive division. 10. First I will divide by the prime base for which highest power is required. 2 5s are 10. What is these 5? There are 5 multiples of 2. 2 1s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 3s are 6, 2 4s are 8, 2 5s are 10. There are 5 multiples. See here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again if I divide by 2, 2 2s are 4. There are 2 multiples of 4. Here 1, here 2. Here it is nothing but 4 1s are 4, 4 2s are 8. Again if I divide 2 1s are 2, there is again 1 multiple of 8 which is 8 1s are 8. 5 plus 2 plus 1, 5 plus 2 plus 1, x value is 8. Are you with me? X value is 8. Right? Instead of doing it individually, how many multiples of 2 are there? 2 1s are 2 2s are 2 3s are 2 4s are 2 5s are. You can divide it successively. Similarly for 3 3s are 9, 3 1s are 3. What are the 3 multiples? 3 1s are 3 2s are 3 3s are. Here you can write it if I use a different color. 3 1s are, 3 2s are, 3 3s are. Here again it is 9 1s are. You don't need to write this. This is for our understanding to explain what does that 5 and. So 3 plus 1 is 4. So x is replaced by 8. 3 y is replaced by 4. 5 2s are 10. Z is replaced by 2. W is replaced by 1. So answer for this question is 2 power 8 into 3 power 4 into 5 square into 7 power 1. I hope the idea is clear. 2 power 8 into 3 power 4 into 5 square into 7 power 1. Any factorial can be written as a power of prime bases. From 1 to 10, which all prime bases are there? 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. So 2 power 8, 3 power 4, 5 square and 7 power 1. What is this 5? There are 5 multiples of 2. There are 2 multiples of 4. There is 1 multiple of 8. There are 3 multiples of 3. There is 1 multiple of 9. I hope the idea is clear. 2, 3, 5, 7. One more question we will solve. Then we will get into the problems. Find the number of factors. Find the number of factors for 7 factorial. Find the number of factors for 7 factorial. 7 factorial. 7 factorial is nothing but 7 into 6 into 5 into 4 into 3 into 2 into 1. What are the prime numbers from 1 to 7? Prime numbers from 1 to 7 is 2 is there, 3 is there, 5 is there, 7 is there. 2 how many are there? 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 1, 3 plus 1 is 4. For 3, 3 2s are 6, it is square. For 5, 7s 7, 5 1s are 5, 7 is also 1. 2 power 4 into 3 square into 5 power 1 into 7 power 1. How many factors I will get? Already 3 sessions of factors and multiples I discussed. 2 power 0 to 2 power 4. 3 power 0 to 3 power 2. 5 power 0, 5 power 1. 7 power 0, 7 power 1. So how many cases? 0 to 4 is 5 cases. 0 to 2 is 3 cases. 0 to 1 to 0 to 1 to. 4 3s are 12, 12 5s are 60. Answer for the number of factors for 7 factorial is 60. Don't miss any of my YouTube live classes. Yesterday I took 2 sessions on factors and multiples. I took 1 fractions and decimals session. I took session 1 on factors and multiples. All the videos as per the date, it is already uploaded in the enrolled students upgraded package under the heading Anil Nayar's special shortcut videos. It contains only my shortcut videos. It contains all the videos are done by me, which contains topic wise. If you see, first we discussed factorials. You will see the class. By the end of the class, you will feel like buying the course, because of 3 factors. 1 is the conceptual clarity, number 2 is the structure, and the number 3 is the faculty is 14 plus years of experience. Only these 3 things only are very important for a student to crack any competitive examination in first attempt. I hope it is clear. Find the number of factors. 0 to 4 5, 0 to 2 3, 0 to 1 2, 0 to 1 2. 5 into 3 into 2 into 2. 15 4s are 60. Now let us get into the question. Now we are discussing highest power, right? If the given number is a prime number, 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 first case, given number is a prime number, 8 factorial, divide 8 by 2, 2 4s are 2, 2 2s are 4, 2 1s are 2, 4 plus 2 plus 1 is 7. So 8 factorial is nothing but 2 power 7 into k. What is the highest power of 2 in 8 factorial? 7. Answer is 7. I hope the idea is clear. Directly I divided it by successive division. No need to write it. What is this k value? K is nothing but 3 power x1, 5 power x2, 7 power x3, which are not required. Any factorial can be written as a power of prime bases. Power of prime bases from 1 to 8 is 2 3 5 7. 2 3 5 7. 2 power 7 into. This is something which is not required because the question is highest power of 2. The question is highest power of 2. Idea is clear. Next question. Find the highest power of 3 in 50 factorial. Given number is a prime number. Given number is a prime number. Given number is a prime number. 50 factorial. If I divide it, 3 16s are 48. Forget the remaining. 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3. 21 plus 1 22. 50 factorial is nothing but 3 power 22 into k. K is the remaining prime numbers. What will be the answer? Answer is nothing but 22. Answer is nothing but 22. 50 divided by 3. 3 16s are 48. 3 5s are 15. 3 1s are 3. 16 plus 5 plus 1. 21 plus 1 is 22. Highest power of 3 is 22. Highest power of 3 is 22. Given number is a prime number. Next one. The same question can also be asked like this. 100 factorial is divisible by 3 power n. That means remainder 100 factorial divided by 3 power n, it is 0. Divisible means remainder should be 0. This is nothing but asking what is the highest power of 3. What is the highest power of 3? in 100 factorial. Both are similar question. 3 is again a prime number. 3 is again a prime number. So if I divide 100 by 3, 3 33s are 99, 3 11s are 33, 3 3s are 3 1s are. So if I add it, 33 plus 11 44 plus 3 47 plus 1 48. That means 100 factorial is nothing but 3 power 48 into k. What is n value? N value here is nothing but 48. Idea is clear? 100 factorial divisible by 3 power n. So what is the highest power of 3 in 100 factorial? 3 33s are 99, 3 11s are, 3 3s are, 3 1s are. 33 plus 11 44, 47, 48. Asking this question, this and this both are similar. Both are similar questions. Both are similar questions. Both are similar questions. I hope the idea is clear. Next one. Next one. Different quality questions in the class, sir. Structured way of solving. Even in the video, it will be divided into basic, intermediate and advanced. Next one. What is the highest power of 2 in? 10 factorial plus 12 factorial. Here the factorials are added, so that when you write a mock thing and everything, you will not fear looking at a question. 10 factorial plus 12 factorial plus 14 factorial and so on up to 100 factorial. Now see here, highest power of 2 we require. We require highest power of 2. 10 factorial, if I take common, 1 plus 12 factorial is 12 into 11 into 12 factorial. 14 factorial is 14 into 13 into 12 into 11 into 10 factorial and so on. 12 into 11, any number multiplied by 2, it is an even number. 12 contains 2, it is also an even number. Even, 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 even. Even, even, if I add, I will get even. What is 1 plus even? Odd. 10 factorial into odd. This is nothing but 10 factorial into odd. Odd number will not have any powers of 2. If it has powers of 2, then it becomes an even number. Odd number will not have any powers of 2. So it is nothing but, the question came up to find the highest power of 2. Find the highest power of 2 in 10 factorial. Highest power of 2 in 10 factorial. So this is nothing but 10 if I divide, 2 5s are, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. 5 plus 2 plus 1, answer is 1. Just take 10 factorial common, you will get the answer. 10 factorial, 1 plus 12 factorial is 12 into 11 into 10 factorial. 14 factorial is 14 into 13 into 12 into 11 into 10 factorial. This is even. This is even. Even, 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 even. Even, even, even plus 1. It becomes an odd. 10 factorial into odd. 10 factorial into odd. Odd number will not have any powers of 2. So it came up to only 10 factorial. Highest power of 2 in 10 factorial. 5 plus 2 plus 1. Answer is 8. I hope it is clear, right? Clearly I will write down here if it is not visible. 10, 2 5s are 10, 2 2s are, 2 1s are. 5 plus 2 plus 1 is 8. Good question. Please put a star mark on this question, sir. Star mark on this question. Find the highest power of 2 in all the even number factorials, they are getting added. 10 factorial plus 12 factorial plus 14 factorial and so on up to 100 factorial. I hope the idea is clear. I hope the idea is clear. Next one. Next one. Till here, any doubts are there? Till here, any doubts are there? Kindly reply it in the live chat if any doubts are there in terms of concepts. In terms of concepts, anybody got any doubts? In terms of concepts, anybody got any doubts? Kindly reply it in the live chat if you got any doubts. You got any doubts? Any doubts? Any student got any doubts? Kindly put it in the live chat. Because next question is a very, very good question. Next one is a very, very good question. Please write down. Find the highest. highest power of 2. Now previous question is easy. Now it is little complicated. It's a very good question. Compilation of good questions. 10 factorial. Next is 12 factorial. Sorry, next it is 11 factorial. Very good question. Slowly from basics to advanced level we will go. 10 factorial plus 11 factorial and so on up to 1000 factorial. If I take 10 factorial common, it is 1. Here it is 11. 12 factorial is 12 into 11 into 10 factorial. 13 factorial is 13 into 12 into 11 into 10 factorial. 14 factorial is 14 into 13 into 12 into 11 and so on. These 10 factorial. 1 plus 9 is 12. If I take 12 common, it is nothing but 1 plus 11 plus 13 into 11 plus 14 into 13 into 11 and so on. I hope it is clear. Next one will be 15 factorial is nothing but 15 factorial is nothing but 15 into 14 into 13 into 11 and so on. Now see here. 1 plus 11 is 12. 12 is an even number. Here it is an odd number. Here it is an odd number. Here it is an odd number. Odd plus odd plus odd. Odd plus odd plus odd. It is an odd number. I hope it is clear, right? Now here it is odd. From here onwards 14 is an even number. Here also it is an even number. 13 into 11 is odd. 1 plus 11 is 12, which is an even. Even. 13 into 11 is odd. Even plus odd, even plus even plus odd. So the remaining number is 10 factorial into 12 into odd. I hope it is clear. Again I am repeating. Listen carefully here. 1 plus 11 12. 12 is an even number. 13 into 11, it is an odd number. 14 contains 2. Even number. Even. It will be even. 1 plus 11 12. 12 is an even. 13 into 11, it is odd. So total I got 10 factorial into 12 into odd. Odd number will not have any powers of 2. 10 factorial I got 2 power 8 into k. 12 is nothing but 2 square into 3 into odd. So this is nothing but 8 plus 2. 8 plus 2, what is the answer? 10. What is the answer? 10. Right? I hope it is clear, right? Answer for this question is 10. Previous question answer is 8. What is the difference? Previous question is 10 factorial plus 12 factorial plus 14 factorial. Here it is there. Only thing from here to here, take 12 common. Take 12 common, you will get the answer. Take 12 common, you will get the answer. Take 12 common, you will get the answer. I hope it is clear, right? Take 12. Yes, 9 is also a composite number. 9 is also a composite number. Idea is clear, right? I think then in the first question we missed out 9 also, I think. Here 9 also include it. You are right, Shivashankar. You are right. Include 9 also. In this question include 9 also. You are right, beta Shivashankar. Calculations, please take care. Right? The only reason most likely why I will not get 100 percentile in CAT exam is only because of this silly mistake. Right? Anyway, I am not writing the exam. Right? Another model. Different kinds of models. You don't need to refer any textbook. Our video course itself is enough. Highest powers, all the models will be there at one shot. Next one. Thank you for updating, beta. Right? Highest power of 8 in 8 into 16 into 24 into 32 and so on up to 800. N is 8 into 16 into 24 into 32 and so on up to 800. So here it is nothing but 8 ones are 8, 8 twos are 16, 8 threes are 24, 8 hundreds are 800. 8 is multiplied 100 times. So it is 8 power 100 into 100 factorial. 8 into 8, 8 square into 8 cube. 8 power 100 into 100 factorial, which is 2 power 3 power 100 into 100 factorial, which is nothing but 2 power 300 into 100 factorial. In 100 highest power of 2 we will do. So it is nothing but 250s are 100, 225s are 50, 2 12s are 24, 2 6s are 12, 2 3s are 6, 2 1s are 2, 10 20 to 97. So 2 power 300. We will make the question 2 here because I did not discuss the composite number logic, into 2 power 97 into k. You can also do 8, but I will not do right now. I will go in a proper structure. Answer is 397. Please don't do a mistake. You can learn any subject, anywhere, any place, and on the go. Come, let us go the other way in learning. Download our revolutionary app for free. ANC.